So we can start the session. So see here, previously, what are the things you have discussed? Okay. So previously, I had to discussing about the learning journey of your HANA development. What are the courses are there, and what are the certifications are there? Okay. I'm just recap here. So first thing you have discussing about the fundamental like HA100, DW100, HDB SQL 1, HDB SQL 2, and HA300. After that, core developer skills. Okay. After that, expertization point of view, what are the courses are there? After that, now I want to discussing about the so currently most of the peoples are using a SAP BTP, correct? So obviously, when you're working in a BTP is nothing but so they're recommended to go for HANA onto the cloud. Again, I want to go into the learning journey of HANA. Again, especially here on cloud deployment or cloud developer point of view. What are the learning journey? Like what are the courses are they? How I can go to completed this? Okay. Again, so again, who's recommended here? I'm just taking it two peoples are here. The first one, as I told that, so freshers, again, they have knowledge about the RDBMS. Again, they have the again, SAP ABAP, a little bit about the SAP BTP. If you have BTP means BTP 100 is a recommendation, okay, to understanding how the BTP, how to log on to BTP, what other services are there for BTP for this point of view, okay. So once you have to completed this, so coming to the our first course, it is going to the HC. So what is this again here? So SAP HANA introduction again, as I mentioned for the HANA onto the cloud. 360-degree overview for HANA cloud. Okay. Again, what are the cloud partners? Simple like BTP, whatever topics are the same thing. Okay. How to activate the BTP and what are the account model is there? What are the by default services are there? And each is coming to development and integration. What are the services are there? How the subscription? These all comes under for the HC 100. Once it is completed, modeling not required. So this is completely for already who are experienced for the SAP, already who are experienced for the HANA modeling, sorry, HANA developer onto the your on-premise you. Now I'm talking about so keep in mind the previous course is completely for the on-premise. Now I'm talking about the cloud related, okay, especially for the. So again, here I'm going to the HA300. Again, what are these concepts here? As per the discussion previously for core, again, one more time repeated here. So HA300 is basically for the main core modeling activities. Okay. So HA302 is basically for the SAP HANA SQL scripting. 302, sorry, 301. It's going to further advanced SAP HANA modeling. Okay. So this is from modeling. Coming to the developer point of view, what are the things you discussed here? HA for the 100, that is common. 430, I'll do 430, 440, and 410. So what are these courses? So again, keep in mind there's just one by the way. All 400 series are basically for the HANA development. So let's say I'm just going to HA 430. It is basically for SAP HANA native deployment. Okay, native, so not deployment, the WhatsApp development. So here they're using a HDI container. Okay, so by using a HDI containers, how they will be doing the development on top of HANA data on HANA Cloud. Okay, and next one it is going to for keep in mind that a developer only having this all the knowledge about this all concepts. Okay, and HA simple one Hexes SAP HANA Hexes advanced extended application server for by using array XSA cockpit. How I can do further? Same thing coming to the SAP HANA development lifecycle. Okay, so these are the courses for a core. Now, especially just I'm just removing. I'm not doing anything here. Same thing here. HA 300 is there na? Now they're just giving a instead of A. I'm just giving a HC. So what are you doing here? SAP HANA. Okay. Previously do the modeling. Let's say SAP HANA Cloud Advanced Development. Okay. So who are working for BTP? Okay, again they're working on HANA on cloud. So they want to go into the HC. Okay. Next one it is going to for the HA, sorry, HC 450. This is going to again SAP. If we observe properly, so see only environment is changed, but most of the concepts will be going to common. Okay, uh, that is going to for SAP HANA Cloud native application development. Okay, so this is come to here. So after that, so here onwards new courses are there. So I can simply say that CP 100. Okay, so CP 100 is basically for the SAP BTP fundamentals. Okay, along with the extension shoot. So here generally two courses are included. Okay, one it is going to for BTP 100 already there, but same thing you can go to okay CP 200. So CP 100 and CP 200 completely for BTP fundamental and extension. And coming to here, CAP fundamentals. So this is basically for CAP cloud appliance, sorry, cloud application programming on BTP. Okay. So these are the even maybe I want to go into the security related. Okay, BTP 150. It is going to for even BTP. Not generally, don't do that, but maybe if you have getting any kind of authorization issue, okay. So at that time we can go to the this particular concept. Okay. So these are the courses. Okay. To go for the especially for the cloud here mostly from HC 300 and HC 400 is and along with the cap. So currently if you go into any kind of latest project, most of the customers zero coding and Node.js, so this all comes under for cap concepts. Okay, this is very popular courses from if you go into any specific interview or if you have how the integrations are happening. So they're asking for these are the more details. Okay. Okay, these are the overview. Means I'm working in SAP Cloud development point of view. What are the courses are there? So After completion of this, okay, so I want to do the certification here. Two kind of certification I had recommended. Maybe if you have BTP knowledge on it. The first certification it is going to for the, okay. First certification I can recommend it for the C underscore BTP DAO 2. This is going to SAP BTP extension means certificate associate for the BTP extension developer point of view. Okay. One more it is for SAP. So C underscore ABAP DAO. This is basically for ABAP Cloud Developer. Okay. So here you can say ABAP on BTP. Okay. So these are the codes. So if you have completed this all, then you can say that, so I'm certified this. So you have getting 100%. I can say that mostly for currently the trending technologies are nothing but, so for development point of view, especially these are the, okay. So let's summarization here. On premise view, whatever the courses are, the same kind of courses are comes under for the development also. Only thing course are changed. So they have HC 100. Here you have the HC 300, HC 340, and HC 440. CP 100, CP 200, CAP, and BTP 150, and along with certifications. Okay. So if you have any kind of questions, so please let me know. And syllabus is common. So for the certificate exams point of view, so they're using the same kind of syllabus. Okay. So anyone have any question, please let me know. Fine. So